Hi guys, welcome back to another video back on the Driven 24/7 Automotive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Amber and you join me in the living room to our home, as this is another kind of car news update video really, and this is in regards to my Honda Accord SE that I recently said in the last Honda video you would have seen me upload. Click on the card above magically over there somewhere. Now, I announced the car was going to be up for sale just because I wanted to claw back some money, and who can blame me. And I also said I wanted to get as much money as I could for that Honda, so I was going to stick it through an MOT. So we're going to touch on the MOT in this video, and the car's actually sold. So I put it into an MOT with a garage that I knew of when I worked for a parts delivery company. I delivered to this garage, kind of got a bit friendly, phoned him up, and he does MOTs really cheap there. So I left the car with him, bearing in mind the car's recently had 2 new tyres put on, so I was pretty confident the car would pass, to be honest. I'm pretty confident in that car altogether. And sure enough, we left the car with him for a couple of hours, went for a walk, and he phoned us up and said it's passed. So it did have 2 advisories. One was there was a cut in one of the tyres, but nothing too major, and another advisory was there was a slight oil leak from the oil filter, and I asked him about that. He said he just recommends an oil change. So with 12 months MOT, I then whacked the car up for sale, polished it up, as you would have seen in the last video as well, cleaned it up, polished it up, put it up for sale for good money. And all in all, it was up for sale for about a week because I was getting people lowball me offers, but I was confident in that car that it was going to be a nice car for someone else. It had its MOT, it passed straight away, only 2 minor advisories, so I was going to hold out for the good money that I wanted for that car, and I'm glad I did. I could have taken a low offer, like I said, but the right owner or the right person come along in the end. I knew the first of you would buy, and that was the case. A guy my age actually come along, looked at the car. He wasn't going to buy anything there and then. He says, not like that. I'm very rational like that. If I like something, I'm buying it straight away. I'm very spontaneous, you guys know me. This guy wanted to think about it, but that evening start making me offers, and we got to a price that I wanted it to be at. So I said to him, I'm not taking much off this car. I'd already reduced it by like £100, so I was holding out for good money, and I got it in the end, so I'm glad I held out for a good price. Obviously, when I bought that car, you might have also seen that previous Honda video, I bought it without a logbook. Logbook situation wasn't that bad, so again, I was able to sell it with 12 months MOT, 2 new tyres, a full logbook in my name, and that just added to the value, and I made a bit of money on that car, so I'm glad I held out for the right money in the end. And a few days later, the guy gave me a deposit, then he came to collect it like he said he would. Real nice guy to deal with. Sad it's gone. So the Mazda is now gone and the Honda is gone, which leaves me with 2 cars now. So I've shaved my collection within a week. So leaves me with the 100 NX Nissan and my Toyota SR, my daily car. So I'm happy with those 2, that's for sure. I might buy another car in the meantime, or if cars come up like they do for cheap, I might buy something just to sell it. Why not? That's just a quick announcement to say the Honda passed its MOT, which was great news, and it was great news for me because I could then sell it for good money with a full 12 months MOT with 2 minor advisories. So happy days for me. So that's it. The Honda was gone. It shall be missed, but I kind of want to be sensible, and I didn't need the Honda. I'd rather daily the SR with its new exhaust and all that. It's a really cool car, and I love the SR. That's going to go nowhere, hopefully, for a while anyway. So the Honda is gone, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this short little update video, and I'll see you in another video. Said video too many times. You get the gist. Bye.